This is going to be new system test 4. It takes a 3-year period to get to a bunch, but here we are. And I got some new devices. That was supposed to be a 7002 T24 I was going to get, but didn't work. Got the Century as usual, and I believe that's the WST or WMT strobe in the 90s. And I've always seen a bunch of these in the Maryland, DC area and office buildings with the Elise crew. That'd be an Elise Horvath, Ben Schumann, also known for the Schumann Web, and then Brian, known as Snorkitty, and Trent Sargent, is ElevatorMan 138. Bam! I finally got one. The Ellenco Cat 5C, company based out of Washington, DC. And yes, a Space Age horn strobe combo. 1997 and 1998 parts. I can't which is which, but I don't think that exactly matters. But it sounds like a Wheelock EHDL1 basically, and then you got the rare rebranded Notifier BNG1 by Spectronics. That's not the original lock on it. Got the 892 as usual on March time. And this right here, I don't think much further explanation is really needed here, but that's a bit new too. There's a little bit of a mess in here, so fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Now, what I really like is this right here. And then you got the little spring detail. So you just tighten that up, and I'd always wondered how that worked. Of course, I have to do March time. Technical difficulties. Try that again. And if you will give me a second here, I will tell you the model number on that thing right there. This is HA24D and VA4-BL-RA24D fly-alarm horn strobe combo. I guess, without further ado, I might as well pull the Century, because everyone likes those. And we got people in the house, so common courtesy would be not to take too long. This is Jackson Slater Alarm Fan, ElevatorRailAlarmFan signing off. Have a great day, everybody.